My name is Rizam Ialvigar and this is the documentation of an animal's behavior. An intermediate egret at Balayong People's Park, filmed on February 2, 2006. An egret standing in the middle of a grassy field, foraging for food. It just stands there, patiently waiting for food. A behavior on catching their food. This species' neck is relatively shorter than their body. They have a yellow bill and a blackish feet. The species taxonomic classification is shown in the video.